Hey, push over here. Push, hey, push closer to the door. Push on to the door. Hey, push over to the door. I don't want you to keep getting hit. Watch the distance. Watch the distance, gentlemen. Watch the distance. All right, don't be getting hit. Hey, if I catch anybody getting hit, and I calm himself down, I'm going to kick you out. Go, straight out, straight out.